So first open the app. After opening the app, click on open. After that, select a photo of which you want to change the background of. Now on the main screen of Snapseed, just go to the tools menu. After that, scroll down till you see double exposure. Click on that double exposure. The first option, which is add picture, just click on that option and then select your background picture from your gallery. After that, select the area in which you want your background picture. After selecting, so it will take you to its main screen, and after you go to the main screen, on the top of the app you can see the first of the app, you can see option which is known as double exposure. Just click on that option, and after clicking on that option, select the second option from there, which is brush option. So it will again take you to a new window after clicking on brush option. So when you are there, what you have to do, just select the area of on which you want to change your background. Just select the area and the picture of which you want to change the background, and you can increase the transparency of that background. And what you have to do, just click on that upper arrow and it will plus the transparency, and if you click the lower arrow it will zero the transparency, and if you do it zero, you can rub that part that you have done wrong. It's work as an eraser also. So after that, what you have to do is, so the pro tip is that first outline yourself. You can zoom in and outline yourself, and after that you can brush the outer side of the picture. So yeah, the best thing about this app is I also make my thumbnails from this app, and this actually works, and it's a really great app if you use it efficiently, and basically it's a great. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. It's been Pranav and I'm signing out. Before that, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for me and for yourself to get more videos like this. So yeah, thanks for watching, and hit the like button if you like the video. Okay, bye bye. I'm signing out.